Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where I bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making Blackberry Mojito. We've had orange mojito and virgin mojito previously on the channel, so if you haven't seen it, please do check it out and stay tuned, and let's get right into today's video. So we'll be needing the following ingredients for today's recipe: blackberries, mint leaves, lemon and lime juice, and then some sugar, and then a few lemon slices to garnish. We also have vodka at the side, some soda, or here I'm using Sprite, and then some ice cubes. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box down below. Someone might be wondering, why do we have vodka today? Well, we've had a few people complaining that all our mojito videos are virgin mojitos. They would prefer one with alcohol as well, so today we had this virgin mojito. So we started off with some few blackberries. I added about 6, and then added some mint leaves and some sugar, and then we would mash it like what we do for the basics when it comes to mojito. In our previous mojito videos, we add lime cubes to the mint and then mash them together, but today we are using lemon and lime juice instead. And then here we are adding our vodka, but it's totally optional. If you want it non-alcoholic, you can omit the vodka and it will taste good as well. And then you stir everything together and you go ahead and add your ice cubes. After adding our ice cubes, we would finally add our soda. Today we are using Sprite here. So we are garnishing with some lime slice, mint leaves, and blackberry. Yeah, on this channel we take presentation seriously because we believe that you don't have to go to the restaurant to be able to enjoy good looking food. You can make your homemade meals also look pleasant and appetizing. And you see how simple today's recipe is. That's how we make our recipes look simple as always, so it can be very easy for you to follow. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, this might convince you to. Please do well to subscribe, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave us a comment and let us know if you're going to try this recipe at home. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.